Hello everyone, I am Sanket Agarkar, coach, author, and founder of Elevated You. Here, I use the power of Ho'oponopono to help professionals, entrepreneurs create authentic career breakthroughs. Welcome to today's question and answer sessions, where I will be answering your top questions about how to apply Ho'oponopono in your career journey. These are real questions from my community, which they asked me during the Sunday webinar, my 3 hours workshop called Elevated You, and during daily growth practice. So, if you have been wondering, can this really help with my job? Or how do I actually use it when I am stressed? Or while it is so simple, is it really effective? You will get clarity today. Although I won't be able to answer all the questions in this short video. I will try to address those questions which covers wider area of life and relevant to most people. So let's dive in. Question number 1. Can Ho'oponopono really help with something as practical as career growth? Such a good question. And the answer is yes, absolutely. Career growth might look like performance, skills, and strategy on the outside, but the real blockers are often inside, like fear of being visible, feeling not good enough, old beliefs like success is unsafe, or I don't deserve more, or I will be alone at the top. In Ho'oponopono, we work on those inner programs that keep repeating, and once they are cleared, outer growth becomes natural. One of my clients went from stuck for 4 years to landing a leadership role in just 60 days after we started cleaning her inner resistance. So yes, it's practical. It just works from the inside out. Question number 2. How do I use Ho'oponopono in the middle of a stressful work moment? Another common and powerful question. Let's say you are in a meeting and your manager criticizes you in front of others. You feel your heart racing and mind shutting down. Instead of reacting, pause and clean. Silently say, I take 100% responsibility of criticism happening to me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You are not blaming yourself. No. You are taking 100% responsibility for the part of you that is attracting or reacting to that situation. This creates a shift in energy, clarity in your mind, and often changes the way others respond to you too. Use it before a tough email, during a job interview, or even while reporting. The more you clean, the stronger and more centered you become. Question number 3. Do I need to believe in spirituality or be religious for this to work? Not at all. Ho'oponopono is not tied to any religion. It is about energy, memory, and responsibility. You stay believing in any religion and start trusting the process of Ho'oponopono and just keep practicing. It is like you know how to drive a scooter but eager to learn the car. People from all backgrounds, like corporate leaders, engineers, creatives, business owners, use this method with and gets the incredible results. It is not about dogma. It is about clearing what longer serves you so your natural confidence, clarity, and creativity can flow. So, if you have been curious about using Ho'oponopono for your own career growth, I want to invite you to take the next step. Join my free Sunday webinar where we go deeper into how this process works, and I will guide you through a live experience of inner cleansing. So subscribe to this channel for more honest, practical videos like this. And if you are ready to fully align your inner world with your career goals, you can enroll in the Career Growth Mastery course, where I will walk you through the full method step by step. Your career growth doesn't start with another strategy. It starts with healing what's in here. And from that space, everything can shift. I am Sanket. With this, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. See you in the next